Oh, hang on. Hang on. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now I realize they're here to stay. Oh, how I long for yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the girl I used to be. Glasses beckon me 'cause I can't see. Oh, spectacles came suddenly. Knees and hips are playing me up. It's just not fair. And all my locks have thinned. Now I'm grey. Oh, what a mess. Yesterday, youth was such an easy game to play. I no longer dance the night away. Feet up telly, then I hit the hay. My figure has changed, and my boobs are falling fast. No pert bum for me, I no longer have an ass. So today, memories fade of how I used to be. Ditch the booze, I'll have a cup of tea. Damn, I need another week. But it's not all bad, there's no kids to wear me down. No 9 to 5, I can stay all day in my dressing gown. So today, thoughts of yesterday are growing cold. Yes, I'm 70, but don't feel old. And bus password is waiting. Bus password is waiting. Go. Oh yeah. So we have